Hello, so as you can see, we have this thumbnail of brother JA007 or JA007, my new unit portable machine. I really love this one. I'm so in love with this unit, like really. So the backstory is I sold my old portable sewing machine. This sewing machine is what I used for two cosplays that I did. They are all handmade and solely made with this machine. I really had so much bad time with this machine, but yeah, I still managed to do this, even though I most likely have broken down or have 60% breakdowns every outfit that I do with this unit because, bro, I don't know. It gives me doubts. Like I've been crying. Is this good or will this be good? Because the machine really just shits me. But yes, this is about the new unit. And if you're considering buying a new sewing machine entry level, this one is really good for entry level. The price is kind of pricey, but still does the job. Like I am so in love when I got this. Like I'm telling you. I was hugging it the moment I start sewing with it, so let's get into it. By the way, this is not sponsored by Brother. I really just want to share this with you guys since this is really a great product for those who wants to get started with crafting, sewing, cosplays, or business. This is really great. Let's get into it.
May special guest tayo dito, pero mamaya natin sasagutin.